So, hi everyone. So, parang maraming time si coach ngayon. Kaya, let's check lead generation using social media account, and we will be practicing using Facebook social media account. Okay? So, I have here another account here. This is my account for ESL companies, or this is for attracting, teaching industry, like maybe teaching clients, something like that. But yeah, I have three accounts in social media. My personal one, this is for teaching, and the other one is for VA use. But I deactivated the VA account muna. It's because I'm not using it and I want it to relax for the meantime. So I've deactivated this one as well. However, I did go back since I need it. So now, I'm promoting my skills. As you can see, I have here my skills. Ito yung pinaggagawa ko sa buhay na naman ngayon since I'm back in teaching. Okay? Kasi mas fit siya sa schedule for my kids. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do lead generation for social media accounts such as Facebook. So this is let's say this is my post or maybe another one. So yeah, I have another one here, and this is the one I've been using. I used this time. Okay, aside from this one na promote ko sa account ko para i-share, ganon, I have this one, pinaka-copy and paste ko din ito. Okay. So, I have here, ganito yung pinagagawa ko, pinag-paste ko siya, hindi ko siya sinishare, pinag-paste ko siya. So, this is still lead generation, guys. Okay? Para kang nagre-recruit, ganun yung lead generation. Naghahanap ka ng mga tao under that industry, ganon yung lead generation, diba? Easy peasy. Tapos, I will tell you, marami nang nag-chat dyan, mga auntie ko. Tingnan mo. Ito, meron yan. Oh, how? So, meron akong GC where I'm going to, give them information or details, ganon. Tapos, I will add you sa GC po. Mga please backread po sa mga post today lang, ganon. Kasi, para tayong tubig. Kung ano ngayon, anong sabi naman? Yung hunas at saka, yung kalma yung water at saka mataas yung water, diba? Ganun yun. So, it depends. Sometimes nag-coach tayo, sometimes nag-ESL tayo, sometimes nagiging VA tayo, call center agent tayo. Depende saan tayo makakapera, te. Ganun yung mga trabaho natin online. Dami, diba? So, yun. So, yan. Isa na yan. I added her in the, in the GC, and then here I have another pala to, nag-welcome si uncle mo. Yun. So, mga ganyan lang. Pero sa isa kong account, kasi mas una yun, kagabi ko yun pin-workout, nag-boost ako doon ng mga ganito. Meaning ng boosting is yung ganito, nag-post ka ng maramihan. Ganun yun mga te. O, yan. So, Sharo, walang mag-ano sa inyo, mag-comment yan sa dami. Tapos, when you search for that, ganun talaga. Like, Makati, Quezon City, ESL groups, pwede mga ganyan. Depende sa inyo. Tapos, mag-ano lang kayo, let's say, Quezon tong ngayon ng target ko, So, ano ba yan? So, ganyan. At magpunta ka dun sa groups, te. Tapos, mag-show yan. Huwag ka na mag-join, mag-post ka lang. Ayun yung pinagagawa ko. Huwag na mag-ano. Tapos, post ka lang. Anyways, mag-post naman yan kung pwede. Kung hindi, hindi naman. Ano lang yun? Diba? So, meron akong na-post. Look at that. Maganyan man siya. 10 minutes yan. So, let it be. Kung ma-post, okay. Kung hindi, ayan mo na. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. So, ganyan. Kaya ganun kadami. Okay? So, yun lang. I hope you have learned something today for lead generation. Thank you.